Hey guys, welcome back to 5 Lifestyle Hack to get more energy, achieve your ideal weight, and live a healthy and happy lifestyle. So you are at the right spot. Um, we are going to talk about feeding your body today. And a lot of people talk about, when they talk about a healthy lifestyle, they start with the food. And I start with relaxation. Why do I start with relaxation? Because if you're not relaxed, if your body is in constant stress mode, you will not experience the benefits of having a healthy lifestyle. So relaxation is actually the most important part. You see, they have done some research and they split the group in two. You had the group that did all of the healthy stuff, did the right food, did the right exercises, and slept well and everything. And you had the other group that did the same thing as the first group, but group B did everything the same way, so the same great diet, the same exercises, the same everything the same. But group B did also a relaxation technique with it. They called it mindfulness-based stress release. So they did a relaxation technique together with everything else. That was group B. Which group do you think was most successful? Yes, group B. Group B was more successful in acquiring the new lifestyle, because this is not about diet. It's about building a new lifestyle, creating a new you. So group B was better in acquiring a new lifestyle. They were better in continuing it for a longer period, and they did better in losing the weight. So that is why I always start with relaxation and learning to relax your body. So I hope you guys had fun having doing the any lifestyle, any stress release technique, and especially the dulce far niente, enjoying the sweetness of doing nothing. That is your new vibe right now. Okay, so healthy lifestyle should be fun, guys. It shouldn't be something that, and I know my story says that I was on the verge of I don't know, getting worse diseases than I had, but and it was a wake-up call for me to attain a healthy lifestyle. But when I started to incorporate this healthy lifestyle in my lifestyle, I found out that it was fun. It was an adventure. It wasn't a punishment or something like that. So today we're going to talk about, 3 minutes already. Today we're going to talk about feeding your body. Feeding your body. And I have a question for you. What is the difference between filling your body and feeding your body? What is the difference between filling your body and feeding your body? Take some time. Yes, thank you very much for giving yourself that time. Yes. So the difference between filling your body and feeding your body. Let me share something with you. Last summer, I was here in Curacao, and I rented a car. So I got to the gas station, and you have two different gas options. You have the normal gasoline, and you have diesel. And I was like, what type of car is this? Do I put gasoline or diesel in it? And I called my sister and I said, hey, what type of car is this? Which one do I put in it? And she said gasoline. And it was a good that I called, because had I put diesel in the car, those of you that know stuff about cars, that would not have gone well, right? But I would have filled the car, right, with the wrong stuff. It wouldn't have been the right the right gas for the car, but it would have been full, right? The same thing is for our bodies. Sometimes we can be filling our bodies, but we are not feeding our bodies. To fill it up means it is full. To feed it means you giving it what it needs to function best. So ask yourself, am I filling my body or am I feeding my body? Whatever you ate this morning or this afternoon, did it fill your body or did it feed your body? You see here, I gave you examples of what fills your body. That is this one, this one, no wait, this one, and what this fills your body. It is full. Have you gone to a fast food restaurant and not be full? Oh, you're full. You can't even get out of the car. But did it feed your body? Did you feed your body? Did you give your body what it needs to function best? What your organs needs to function best? What your cells need to function best? What your brain needs to function best? Your brain don't need this. Your brain needs this. Your hormones don't need that. Your hormones need this. So there's a difference between filling your body and feeding your body. Yeah? So, what feeds your body? What feeds your body? Vegetables. We need vegetables. We need vegetables for all of our organs on a cellular level to function. So in vegetables are a lot of nutrients and enzymes that help our body to function. One of the ones that I talk about in my more intensive trainings is why vegetables are very important for our liver, especially if you are having hormonal issues like testosterone levels that are too high or too low, or PCOS, or PMS, migraines, the other one, hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. All of these hormonal issues are worsened or even caused by the fact that our liver cannot process our hormones. And one of the great ways that we can assist our liver in processing our hormones is by eating vegetables. There is an enzyme that you can just remember, the acronym is DIM, is very important to break down our hormones. So you need vegetables. That's the point. You really need to eat vegetables. Protein, oh, this one. Proteins are very important, but healthy proteins. If you are a meat eater, you can eat healthy meats like chicken and salmon, and once in a while some steak. The point is, with steak, it takes our body a lot of time to digest it and to break it down. So we have seen some issues with that. So chicken and fish is better to focus on those two, and to eat healthy proteins that are in nuts, seeds, and legumes, and beans. So you need those in your diet. And you need fat. For almost 30 years, I think even 50 years, the industry has told us that we don't need fat, that fat is bad. It's a lie, guys. It's a lie. Fat does not cause you to become fat. Sugar causes you to become fat. Say that with me or write it down. Fat does not cause you to become fat. Sugar causes you to become fat. Your body needs fat. Fat is the precursor of all of your hormones. If you don't eat fat, you don't have that base to create good hormones. So, and our bodies function through hormones, and I talk about it a little bit more in my more intensive trainings. So you need fat, and sugar makes you fat. Why does sugar makes you fat? Because we have a great hormone that is called insulin, and insulin is our friend. It's kind of like a chihuahua, very cute, that was given to us during famine, so that we can, whenever we find food, we can store some of it for later on. So that was our bodies trying to survive lack of food. Now we have the problem that we don't have lack of food, but that little chihuahua called insulin is constantly storing the fat. So it will bark. We will give it what it needs, which is sugar. It will be happy, store it as fat, and 2 hours later it will bark again, and we will give it again some sugar, and it will store it as fat, and that is the cycle that will continue. So, but we have to learn to dominate the insulin level. And I talk about it a little bit more in my more intensive trainings, but I was just trying to explain to you that fat does not make you fat, but sugar makes you fat. So, what are the lifestyle hacks that I want you to focus on this week or this day when it comes to eating? First of all, eat 400 grams of vegetables every day. Put it in your breakfast as a healthy omelet. Put vegetables in your shake to go, like spinach, or and you can put a little bit of avocado in it and some celery, and make a great green smoothie on the go. So it doesn't have to take that long, guys. So vegetables, make a vegetable soup for the afternoon, and roast some vegetables in the evening. I'm giving you options 3 times a day because you do need to eat it 3 times a day in order for you to get all of that vegetable in, because 400 grams is quite some. So just eating some vegetables for dinner is not gonna cut it. You really need more. And also unprocessed food. Eat unprocessed. So nothing that is processed, nothing that is in a packet, nothing that has a expiration date on it. If you buy an apple, it doesn't have an expiration date. You will see it, you will smell it, and it will not be edible. But if you buy a cookie, it has been put so much junk in it, and it has been processed so much, and they will tell you in March 2026, it's probably not good for you to eat this cookie anymore. If the product is like that, whether it is chips, cookies, anything that is processed, anything that is not like that in nature, including sugar, because you don't buy sugar in nature, anything that is unprocessed, anything that is processed, remove it from your diet. And I promise you, you will see some changes. I promise you. You will, your liver will thank you, because your liver is too busy processing all of that processed junk that it cannot regulate your hormones. Maybe that's why you're having hormonal issues. That was sure the case for me. So your liver will thank you, your brain will thank you, because processed food are the worst for your brain. They are full of sugar, and sugar is not a good nutrient for your brain. So your liver will thank you, all of your hormones will thank you, your brain will thank you, and oh wow, yes, eating unprocessed food, your gut will thank you. Your gut will be so thankful. In our gut, we have a group of bacteria, we call it microbiome. It's kind of like 2 pounds of bacteria living in your gut, and they're your best friends. They produce hormones, they give you good immune system, but only if you feed them the right stuff. They need vegetables, and they hate processed food. Processed food makes them not function well. So when you eat unprocessed, your liver will thank you, your brain will thank you, and your gut will thank you, okay? And last but not least, drink water. You are at least 70% water-based. And a lot of people think that they are hungry, but we are walking around chronically dehydrated. The next time you think that you're hungry, just drink 1 or 2 glasses of water, okay? So drink at least 1.5 liters of water every day. So, like the last one, I want you to pick 2 out of these 3 lifestyle hacks that you're gonna incorporate in your lifestyle. So, either you're gonna eat 400 grams of vegetables every day, or you're gonna eat unprocessed food, including sugar, because sugar is processed. So you're gonna eat unprocessed food only, or you're gonna drink 1.5 liters of water. Yeah, you pick 2. Okay, I hope you pick drinking 1.5 liters of water with that. I hope you pick all 3, but you can do 2 out of 3, okay? So guys, that was it for feeding your body. I will see you guys in the next video that we're gonna talk about your body was created to move. So, okay, thank you for being here with me. See you guys in the next one. Bye.